Welcome to your new favorite natural remedy, dandelions. Let's explore the powerful healing benefits of this misunderstood weed. Dandelions are more than just lawn invaders. They're ancient medicine used in Chinese, Ayurvedic, and Native American healing for centuries. They detoxify your liver, ease digestion, reduce inflammation, and are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, iron, calcium, and antioxidants. To make dandelion tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root or leaf in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink once or twice a day to support liver detox. For a fresh dandelion salad, toss the greens with olive oil, lemon juice, and sea salt. It's great before meals to kickstart digestion. Try roasted dandelion root coffee. It's caffeine-free, energizing, and packed with liver-loving nutrients. Start with gentle doses. If you're allergic to ragweed or daisies, or are on diuretics or lithium, consult your practitioner first. So next time you see a dandelion, don't pull it, pick it. This powerhouse plant supports detox, digestion, and overall vitality. Thanks for watching. I'm John J. Rosario Jr., bringing you holistic health wisdom from nature to your home. Stay rooted. Stay well.